Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is piusgyagenda. If you're new to this channel, I share knowledge that I've attained in the past 5 years as I'm doing videos, photography for people. The reason that's why I share this knowledge, I believe there is someone out there who might need to learn from these videos. If you're that person who would like to learn from my knowledge, you're welcome. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the workflow, all the process that I follow to remove the green screen background, and then if I need to place that background with a new background, I'm also going to be showing you how I do it. Now, let us roll the intro and get straight into this video. The first step that I follow is to open up Premiere Pro, since it is the software, but I believe all these other software can help you to remove the green screen background, and then you'll be able to replace it with a new background. But for those tutorials that are covered with other softwares, I will recommend you to go to look through, because I believe there are so many people who have created these specific videos on how you can remove that green screen background. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Premiere Pro, since it is the software that I use for most of the time. When you open up Premiere Pro, you're going to name your project, since it is the first thing we do when you're starting on a new project. So I'm going to name my project green screen removing. Green screen removing, and I'm going to put that on my desktop. Now that we are in Premiere Pro, the second thing I'm going to do is to import all my footage. That is the background clip and the green screen clip. For this specific tutorial, I'm going to be using a clip that I've downloaded online, and I'm going to be sharing with you where I downloaded this clip. The link is in the description in case you want to have this specific clip. I will have my green screen clip on the timeline, and I will play through it. Perfect. So the clip that I've used is a paper fold clip. So if I have to remove the green screen, this is the step that you have to follow. Now, after putting the clip on the timeline, you're going to go to the effects section and you're going to look for ultra key. Now, when you find the ultra key effect, so drag that to your clip. Which clip are you dragging that effect on? The clip with the green screen, or the clip whose green screen you want to remove. Then after that, you're going to go to the effects control section. Now, what is the effects control section? Now, this is the section where you can control all the effects. This is the Premiere Pro effects section that gives you control over the effects that you apply on your footage. Now, we are going to go in our effects section. In case your effects section is not displaying this long menu, click on your clip, and I'm sure once your clip is highlighted, it will now show you all the figures and all the segments that you can change, which is motion, opacity, time remapping, and then the ultra key, which is the effect that we have applied on our clip. So since it is the effect that we want to control, you're going to click on the color key. There is a key color section on that specific effect, and then you're going to come to the green screen and click on the color picker. It's like a color picker, and then with just a click of a button, your green screen background is going to be removed. So at this point, you can play through your clip and see. Perfect. You see that after you clicking the color picker on the green section, it has gone. Now we are remaining with the black screen or with the black background. That means that that area is empty. Now at this point, you can import a clip that you want to act as your background. Now after you placing your background, you can try to scale it in so that it fits, because sometimes your green screen clip might be a bit bigger than your background, so you try to scale it so that it fits the program monitor, But if you play back after adding that after removing the green screen, you'll see that it is clearly out of the way. Now that you have removed your green screen background, you can replace that background with anything you want. You just have to get that clip, put it up, whose green screen you have removed, and then you can decide to add any background that you would like to use in this specific video below that specific clip. Remember, in Premiere Pro, clips are layered from one to another. So in case you want to just place a background for that clip, or get any background and then use it for that clip, you can just put that clip up, and then you will just place the background clip on the bottom of that particular clip whose green screen you have removed. Hope this video has been useful. My name is piusgyagenda. If you would like to learn more tips and tricks, but also tutorials, feel free to subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every time I upload these videos. My name is piusgyagenda. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.